Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. In this video I'm just going to be having some fun playing around with glitter, and I'm expecting this is going to be a very quick video for me because I'm going to be trying out the Colourpop Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter Gel. And this is one of the products from my Colourpop mystery box that I got a couple months ago at this point. And I was blown away by that box, and I got some really fun products that I probably would not have purchased on my own, but I love glitter. And I got this in the shade that I believe is called Homecoming 2014. So I don't know what collection that was from. Colourpop has so many different collections, and in their glitter gels, which I believe retail for only $9, they have so many different colors and so many different, like, even glitter textures in this. So that's really fun. This is also cruelty-free and vegan. But the reason why I think this is going to be a quick video is because you're actually not supposed to put this around the eyes. So I'm kind of just going to be playing around, seeing how this looks, probably just trying it out on my hand because in this cold weather, I'm not even like showing my body to even put body glitter on. But I feel like New Year's Eve is the perfect time to wear body glitter, especially what I'm doing for New Year's Eve is literally going to a rock and roll concert. So I can have a lot of fun with my look this New Year's Eve. Let me know in the comments down below what your New Year's Eve plans are. But okay, let's just get right into this. So yeah, it really is like it's a gel with glitter in it, and I love that because then you don't have to worry about fallout. You don't need any glitter glue, and this looks so like intensely sparkly, which is what I want. If I'm gonna wear sparkles, I want it to be intensely sparkly. I also thought, like, I think I'm getting a nice fragrance from this. Oh my gosh, that is such a nice surprise. It really smells like floral, kind of. Like when you apply this, you're also kind of applying a little bit of a nice fragrance to the body. So that is awesome. Well, I guess let's just go ahead and kind of swatch it. Oh my goodness. This is like giving me nostalgic feels. It is gritty. So I totally understand why you're not supposed to put this on the eyes. Like, it's so gritty. I probably wouldn't even put it on my lips either. I think body is exactly the perfect use for this. And it really does, like, it blends out far and you can spread the glitter and it really is sticking. Like, you know, I could dance the night away and my glitter is not going to fall off. Let me give you a zoomed in view. Look at that. And I love this color of glitter, which I did not get to choose. It was literally sent to me in the mystery box, but this is so fun. This Homecoming 2014 shade, it really is, it's like that white, silver, iridescent glitter that just goes with everything, and it has like all of the different rainbows of colors reflecting off of it. And it's big, chunky glitter, but I almost feel like it's dried down too. Let me pick like a clean finger. Like it's maybe the slightest bit of transfer. Like I can count 5 pieces of glitter from the transfer test. So I would say that's basically no transfer considering how many pieces of glitter there are in this little swatch here. That nice floral scent, now that it's blended out, I don't smell it anymore. So it is funny, the fact that this has that nice smell to it. But so, yeah, if you are glitterally obsessed with glitter, this is such a great product. It makes wearing body glitter so quick and easy. So this really is a quick video because this is so quick and easy to use, which I'm so excited to have in my collection. I need to find a lot of different uses and opportunities to wear this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.